Welcome to Matlab Help. In this video, we are going to see how we can extract data from Matlab figures. Suppose we have already plotted Matlab figures, and we want to extract data from that figure. So how can we do that? Let's go to the Matlab code. First, we will clear and close all the figures. Then define a variable x, which starts from 0 to 10. We will first create a blank figure by calling the figure function. And then, we will plot the first curve, sin x. Using the Holden function, we will plot the second curve, 2 cos x, in the same figure, and similarly for the third plot, 3 sin x. To level the x and y axis, we'll use xLabel and yLabel function. Now let's run the code. As you can see in the figure, first curve is sin x, second curve is 2 cos x, and the third one is 3 sin x. So we have created a figure. In the next step, we will call this figure and extract data from this figure. We can use the findObject function to store the current figure properties, GCA, in variable h. Another way to store the figure properties is by calling figure number instead of saving from the current figure. Let's define a variable x1 y1 to hold the extracted data of curve 1. Similarly, x2 y2, x3 y3 for second and third curves respectively. Now from these data we can plot in another figure. Let's run the code. As we can see that variable h holds figure properties of 3 curves. In the first line, which stores data for 3 sin x, in the second line for 2 cos x, and in the third line is for sin x. In a similar way, variable f also holds the same figure properties. As we can see that x1 y1 contains the x and y data for curve 3 sin x. Similarly, x2 y2 contains the x data and y data for curve 2 cos x, and x3 y3 for curve sin x. We will replot a figure from these extracted data to check whether we have collected the correct data. So here it is, we got the same results. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel.